Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is week 3, I believe, since starting the seeds. And look, I even have mushrooms for some reason. The mushrooms come and go and die, and I don't know why it's growing in the soil. Well, it said it was like rich or something. I don't know. But okay, but over here is the cauliflower. They still holding on, right? And look at the cucumber. Look, this one got true leaves. Look at that, the little true leaf. So I'm excited about that. And over here, look at the tomatoes. Now that's a big change. Now also with this pod here, with one of them, as you can see, is a little less than the other ones. That's because I put 2 of those outside, and I will show you. And then next, if I'm not mistaken, was the eggplant. So this was yellowing. So I think I might need to okay, transplant or something. Okay, this is my zucchini. You know, I love some zucchini. Okay. And here, look, more mushrooms. Like, I don't know. What's that about? Over here is the butternut squash, winter squash. And over here is my habanero pepper, which I am excited about, guys. And look at that. Okay, so I cannot wait because I love me some spicy food, okay? So, and let me show you the 2 that are outside. And the only reason why I planted it outside, because this is the last day of frost was yesterday, so I'm just testing it out to make sure. So, give me one moment. So, I went ahead and planted 2 to see if it was going to, see how I was going to do. So far it's hanging in there. It rained, so it's already watered. So, but yep, this is what I have so far. And so thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and you guys, y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all next Friday, because I will post what I'm going to be doing with this next, with the progress of these seedings. So see you then, guys. Bye.